Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the light and shadow material pack in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you how this item looks like, and we will need this item if we want to craft the popcorn serving cart. Wait, let me show you. Okay, this is the light and shadow material pack, and if you want to get this item guys, you can try to complete the festival event challenge. Okay, you can complete this quest or this mission. Purchase any Dreamlight Cinematics festival food recipe at Massimo's cooking store, and you will get one light and shadow material pack. You can also claim the reward right here after finishing the challenge. Okay, or if you want to buy this item, you can go to the acorn store. Wait, okay, here, and I'm going to go to wait, you go to the rare collectible, and you can purchase the light and shadow material pack with the moonlight crystal. Okay, then you can use this item to craft the popcorn serving cart. Wait, let me show you the recipe for this item. Okay, you will need quality timber, branch, and also this light and shadow material pack. Thank you guys, and that's how we can get the light and shadow material pack for crafting the popcorn surfing cart in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!